The volume of a cylinder is 90 cubic centimeters. Which step can be performed to find the volume of a cone with the same radius and the same height as the cylinder? So these two screenshots right here of our volume formula for a cylinder and our volume formula for a cone, these are directly from your state test reference sheet. So that state test reference sheet, these formulas are on the back of it. If we look, the volume of a cylinder is volume is equal to pi times the radius squared times the height. The volume of a cone is equal to 1/3 times pi times the radius squared times height. So if you're looking at the two formulas here, it says we want to find the volume of a cone with the same radius and the same height. So we know that the radius and the height are going to be the same in both of these formulas. Then it looks like the only difference here is that to go from the volume of the cylinder to the volume of a cone, you multiply by 1/3. So the volume of a cone is equal to 1/3 the volume of a cylinder with the same radius and the same height. But if we look through our choices here, none of these answers say multiply by 1/3. Nothing here says take the volume of the cylinder and multiply it by 1/3. So we have to think and ask ourselves, multiplying by 1/3 is the same as doing what? And that is, it's the same as dividing by 3. So right away, we know that C and D are out because neither of those say dividing by 3. A, divide the volume of a cylinder by pi, that one's also out. So the correct answer here is B. Divide the volume of the cylinder by 3. So if you have a cylinder and a cone with the same radius and the same height, and you know the volume of a cylinder, you can divide that by 3 to find the volume of the cone.